Hi, I'm Dorian Payne, 27 years old and Coleg Gwent alumni, and I'm the owner and managing director of a company called Castell Group, which is a property development company with over £120 million of construction projects relating to social, affordable and disabled adapted housing throughout South Wales. So I'm actually from Newport originally. I grew up in St Julian's. Growing up, I realised I did want to be involved in property. Going through school, I also had a bit of an entrepreneurial flair. I was involved in several different businesses, buying and selling motorbikes, buying and selling various different things from boot sales, taught myself how to import from China, and I realised that as I was growing my businesses, I had a knack for numbers, so to speak. I really enjoyed the number side. And I did a bit of research and found out that Coleg Gwent actually had a course called AAT, as the Association of Accounting Technicians, and I enrolled on the course. So I enrolled into the accountancy course and I was studying that and I was doing very well there, and my business was also growing at the same time. And I graduated with AAT level 4 and I moved on to ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. I would recommend Coleg Gwent to anybody considering studying accountancy.